Hey everybody, it's Dr. Fish is the Mad Scientist. Guys, today I made the do-it-yourself Luroc light up clock. This was a cool build and I enjoyed building it. Follow the 5 steps. That's what me and Luroc do. The reason I used purple popsicle sticks and painted this purple and used red lights is because purple and red are Luroc's favorite colors. You can see how I added 3 ghosts because Luroc is basically the king of the paranormal community. For this project, guys, I had to go to Wawa and get clear plastic cups. I took a 16-ounce cup, I set it down. I took another 44-ounce cup and I had to cut off the top of it. I had to paint popsicle sticks purple and hot glue gun it all the way around. I added a toy watch, picture of Luroc. I also added a little ghost right here and follow the 5 steps. That's a slogan me and Luroc use. The lights are actually red finger lights. At the top right here, this is a birthday hat. And that's pretty much it to this project, guys. That's the do-it-yourself Luroc light up clock. Follow the 5 steps, guys. Be original, creative, and explosive. See things that people don't see, and make cool stuff like this, like the do-it-yourself Luroc light up clock. There he is. There's Luroc. This is for you, buddy. You guys don't know who Luroc is? He's all the way up because he follows the 5 steps. You can see that other little ghost I added. This is really cool. I'm going to send this to him. This is a very easy build. Even in the back, you can see that it's a purple popsicle stick, just hot glue gun to the cups, where I added the ghosts. Really cool, guys. That's the do-it-yourself Luroc light up clock. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Follow the 5 steps. Dr. Fish out.